What's up, guys? I just want to show you my Falcon mini bike. It's a Predator 212 engine. I had my good friend Big Joe help me out, put on this torque converter, put that on there. We got he helped me put the kill switch on, got that there, replaced the back tire, and we were doing the axle, but it didn't actually end up being long enough, so we had to use the old axle. We got a new wheel on the back, had to put these pegs on down there. The light's not connected, but I will do that in the future, probably sometime. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see. So I put the performance kit on here. So I did the air filter, the exhaust on the other side. We took the governor off, and I think that's it. And we painted it, did like a midnight blue kind of thing. So we're gonna do like a little ride around, see how fast it can go. This thing kind of hits, I think, 40 miles an hour. So we'll see how that goes. It depends if you're going like up or downhill. If you're going downhill, it's a little over 40. So let's take this thing on a little test drive. Okay, so we got the speedometer here. I'm gonna put this in my pocket, and then we'll take a look at that when I'm done. This thing tracks the highest speed on it, so we'll see what it says at the end. Alright guys, I just pulled my phone out. 41 miles per hour is what I got to for top speed. So this thing's pretty quick. Right now it's running pretty good, so we'll see how long it lasts. But I love this thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.